Hey, I'm Claudio from Dentec Safety Specialists. We're here today to demonstrate our ICETRED Traction Devices. We've got a beautiful winter day here in Northern Ontario. We've got a nice pond that's been frozen over that we've cleared off. And we're also going to head out to the road to show you how traction devices perform on asphalt and concrete as well. Talk first about our midsole traction devices. We have two variations, as you'll see here. We have our low profile that's designed to be worn with footwear that does not have a defined heel. I'm going to be showing it on my hiking boot that you'll see here in a moment. And then we have our thicker version, which is designed to be worn on a footwear with a more defined heel. I'm going to start first with our traction device that's to be worn on footwear with a more defined heel. It's a thicker sole, and you'll see that our traction device has 4 strategically positioned tungsten carbide spikes, and that's what is the magic to our product. It bites into ice, it bites into concrete and asphalt, so when you transition from surface to surface, it still gives you excellent traction. And as you can see, I've stretched it over top of the footwear. I'm going to be putting it on my footwear in a moment. It's got an adjustable buckle where you can adjust the length of the strap. The strap is lime green high vis, and it also has a gray reflective strip to it, retro reflective strip, so if you hit it with light in the darker setting, you're going to see it right away. There's a right way and a wrong way to put the traction device on. We state on the product, it's stamped this side to the heel or this side to the front. We want to make sure that those 2 spikes located in the front are positioned under the ball of the foot to give you the best traction possible when walking on the icy and snowy surfaces. So I'm going to put on my non-defined heel version of our ICETRED traction device. I've got a pair of hiking boots here that, as you can see from the design, there is not much of a heel to be shown here. So simply what you do, stretch it over top of your shoe, position it in place, and what you do is take the buckle and then adjust the strap to make it a little tighter, as you can see fit on it, and I'm good to go. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to hit the frozen pond now and head out to show you just how these devices work. A little bit of a slope as you'll see coming down, and here I am on the ice. So if I make some noise here, you can hear that the spikes are digging in. So I'm going to head out for a walk, and you can see that I've got excellent traction. Now, I'm not much of a runner, but I'll just show you what it's like, and I can stop and position. Now, the midsole traction devices really aren't meant for long distance walking. If you're going to be working in an environment, going in and out of buildings, going in and out of vehicles, it's great because all that you have to do is when you need to remove it, simply rotate it around. It's on the top of your foot. Now you can get in and out of the car, and you have no concern about the spikes interfering with the pedals. To show you the traction that our midsoles provide, I've rotated the midsole traction device on my left foot, and I'm going to show you how slippery it is without it. Now let me take with our traction device. As you can see here, it's very difficult to move and provides the traction that you need necessary. We're going to head out to the street and show you how these products perform when walking on an asphalt surface that's got some snow and ice on it. So we're going to explain our ICETRED midsole traction device, as I have on here. You can see that we have this lime green elastic strap with a retro reflective strip, so if you hit it with a lightning, you're going to pick it up. But more importantly, at a distance and at a glance, management can see that people are wearing the traction devices when they're in the necessary environment to do so. I'm going to demonstrate now walking, transitioning from asphalt to ice and back to asphalt, because that's what people really do in the workplace. Ours are very comfortable. We specifically designed our midsole products so that they're comfortable underfoot. They're sitting underneath the arch of the foot in proper position, and it feels like you're walking on an anti-fatigue mat. So let me take you for a walk. So as you can see here, I'm walking on the asphalt. I'm going to transition to the ice, and I have no difference in traction between the two. The midsole device is great if you're moving in and out of buildings, going in and out of vehicles, and as you can see, I can very easily move the strap around, and now I've taken the spike off the surface. That's our midsole.